Hello everyone, I'm here to give you an instruction or a simple instruction on how to create bookmarks and links for our accomplishment report and also our output logs. This is Pastor Angelo speaking, and I hope that this will be able to help you ease the burden of reporting your output or yung work natin from home. So I'm going to use my own accomplishment report. And normally or logically, the place that we're going to put the links and bookmark is on the front page or the very first page of our accomplishment report, so that when our supervisors or our vice principals will be looking into our reports, it will be quick for them to jump to the specific week table or week period covered na table. Or even for us, when we're going to key in our reports, yung mga i-update natin yung report, it's going to be easy for us to jump into the table or the week period covered that we're going to update our report with. So what I suggest is for our faculties uh, to put their links or links in particular here after the major deliverables and expected outputs. Okay. And then for our staff, I suggest that it will be placed immediately after the information or your personal information po. Because immediately after that, dun po ninyo yung tinype nyo na po yung let's say for the first week na trabaho ninyo or for the things that you have done on that particular starting week that we need to file our reports. All right. So in this case, since I'm a faculty, I'll be placing the table for my links list after the major deliverables and expected outputs na table. So how am I going to do that? I'll go to that area and put my cursor there. I'll click my mouse there and then go to insert on the menu and choose table. Then I'll put a 4 by 5, let's say, table. All right. So as you can see, I have here a 4 by 5 table. Now, in order for us to identify what specific table this is, let's place a header on the first line of the table po, no? So how am I going to do that? Let's highlight or select the cells. Okay, again, select the cells and then right click, merge cells. Or again, highlight the cells, then go to format, then table, and then choose merge cells, right? And then I can proceed to type quick links for, to jump to specific week or, kulang man si, period covered. Just for us and also our supervisors and vice principals to know that this is specifically for the links to jump to our to jump from one point to another yung sa accomplishment report or output log natin. So I'll just make this centered. Yan. Para kunyari mayroong konting effect. I-bold natin and lakihan natin. Size 12. Alright? Now, let's leave this for a while because dito po natin lalagay lahat ng links natin for each table. So how are we going to link that to those tables? Again, it's through bookmarks. So let's go to the first week. In my case, the first week that I reported is June 15 to 19. Okay. So what we need to do is highlight that date and then either right click, then look for, wala po dito yung bookmark. Anyway, yan. Sorry. Go to insert and then bookmark. So automatically, Google Docs will create a parang sort of reference link for you to use later on, or yung bookmark mismo. And then later on, you have the option to remove it kung hindi mo naman na kailangan or nagkamali ka ng gawa. Okay. Let's go to the next week report. Then highlight the date. Then go to insert and then bookmark. Then to the next week, highlight, then insert, bookmark. Then finally, yung sa week today, July 6 to 10, highlight or select the date, go to the menu and choose insert, and then bookmark. Ayan. So, you have your bookmark at least for the latest table that you have, July 6 to 10. Right. So, since we have created our bookmarks already, we can now create the links for us to be able to jump to those specific tables. So, let's go back up dun sa table na ginawa natin kanina. Alright. So what we're going to do is create a link to refer to those bookmarks that we have created earlier. So since June 15 to 19 is the first week of our report, it's natural for us to put that in this first cell. So what do we need to do is you don't need to type anything. Again, you don't need to type anything because Google Docs will type the link for you. Alright? That is why hinighlight po natin yung date ng week period covered. Naturally, that would be our reference point for each table po. Alright? So again, go to the first cell, go to the menu and choose insert, and then link. Kanina po, bookmark po yung pinili natin. Ngayon po, for this time, we will be using link. Okay? Again, you don't need to type anything. You just have to choose bookmarks or click bookmarks and then click the date that you want to create a link to. Okay. Then click apply. So automatically Google Docs will type the words and the dates for you. Okay. So for the next week, go to the second cell, go to again menu, insert, and then link. Then click bookmarks and select the second week. Then click apply. Then for the third week, the same. Go to the third cell, insert, link, bookmarks, and then choose the week that you want to create a link to. And then the last week, fourth cell, go to insert, link, bookmarks, choose the fourth, and then apply. Okay. That's how easy it is to create bookmarks and links for your Google Docs po. This is for us, again, to help to have a quick jump to the specific tables that we want to view or to edit po, no? Because as you can see po, dito po sa gilid, ang haba-haba na po ng aking accomplishment report. But medyo deceiving po ito, no? I have to be honest because makikita nyo po, mayroon pong extra tables. Alright? Para hindi na po ako copy and paste po. I have created tables for my accomplishment report until August 24 to 28 na week na po. In anticipation na baka tutuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo mag-create ng accomplishment report until that week. But if may kulang pa, I have added an extra set of table in order for me to just simply copy. Okay, again, highlight. And then right-click, copy. And then just click enter. And then paste po. Ayan. Para hindi na po ako magde-delete pa ng contents from the previous weeks. Okay? So, yun po yung reason kung bakit medyo mahaba na po yung aking accomplishment report. It's now in 10 pages. Alright? Good. So, I'll now show you a perspective from the viewer naman po para maintindihan po natin na this is really of great help not only for us but also for our supervisors and vice principals po. I'll just quickly center this. Lahatin na natin para medyo may maayos naman po yung ating report. Alright? So that is my end of my accomplishment report. Paano po yung sa viewer naman? Ano yung makikita nila? And how will this be or how can this help them view our accomplishment report or output log? So, balik po natin para mag-update. And I'll choose another account po in order for me to be able to view on the perspective po ng viewer. Right? So this is my accomplishment report po, yung ginawa ko po kanina. Okay? Then I'll just click it for me to be able to view it. Alright? So as you can see po, this is a viewer account with the request edit access na button po. No? So I cannot edit it. Okay? If you can hear po, I'm typing something pero wala pong lumalabas. Okay? So this is simply a viewer account. So nakita po natin or makikita po natin here in this area are the links that I have created earlier. So in order for, say, our supervisors, vice principals, or DHR themselves to go and jump into the specific tables that they want to check, they just have to, say, yung sa previous week, one left click po dun sa date, may lalabas po dyan na bookmark. Okay? Just click the word bookmark and then Google Docs will bring you to that specific table po. Okay? Yan. And let's try po dun sa following week naman po kung sakali. Okay? So July 6 to 10. So I'll just left click, one left click. Then click the bookmark. Ayan po. So immediately, the viewer will jump to that specific table po. Okay? So that's how simple and easy for us to create bookmarks and links po. Now the beauty of this is that since this is free and also web-based, everyone will have the same instruction po. We don't need different instructions for specific version of Google Docs, hindi po katulad ng Microsoft Word. So, one single instruction for all na po ito. Alright? So, I hope that this have helped you understand how to create bookmarks and links po. And also, has encouraged you to create ways to simplify our work for one another po. So, again, this is Pastor Angelo Gutierrez. If you have questions, if you have concerns, or if you have suggestions to improve our accomplishment report or output log, please don't hesitate to write me a message, send me an email, or text me, or even call me. Right? So thank you once again. God bless. Keep safe and stay healthy po for everyone. Thank you.